Top 3 areas in your house need to clean regularly to prevent coronavirus. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Coronavirus is mainly transmitted from person to person via tiny droplets of saliva or other bodily fluids that float in the air after a cough or sneeze. As the coronavirus pandemic spreads around the world, it's a good time to understand how cleaning can help prevent the spread of disease and what you can do to cut the risk of infection in your home. What should I use to clean and how? The coronavirus is a delicate structure and it is vulnerable in the environment. Both heat and detergents, including soap, can stop it functioning. Contaminated surfaces. If a surface becomes contaminated or you think it could be, cleaning it with a common household disinfectant will kill the virus. Remember to wash your hands after cleaning or use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer and avoid touching your eyes, mouth or nose. There are many options for what to use to clean, including paper towels, cloths or disposable wipes. How you clean is important. You don't want to recontaminate surfaces while cleaning. Working from one side of a surface to the other helps with this, using an S shape to clean. If you are reusing a cloth, remember to wash it afterward and let it dry. Laundering clothes in the washing machine with normal washing liquid is also likely to kill the virus, particularly on a hot wash. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know. Dishes and cutlery. Washing with hot water and detergent is fine for dishes and cutlery. A dishwasher is even better, because it can use hotter water than your hands will tolerate. Clothing and linen. Use the warmest setting possible to wash contaminated laundry and make sure you allow it to dry completely. You may not want to ruin clothing or other materials, so always look at the manufacturer's instructions. Laundry from someone who is sick can be washed with other people's items. If you are handling contaminated items such as towels or sheets, avoid shaking them before washing, to reduce the risk of contaminating other surfaces. And remember to wash your hands immediately after touching any contaminated laundry. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out coronavirus, how to clean your home effectively. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. FastKlean works in partnership with Bravo. Together we want to change the world. Check our descriptions below to see our favorite products and use a special code for a 10% discount when you order via our channel.